Disability Awareness and Sensitivity Workshop para sa mga abogado asin lehislador, Ginibo.
Para matawan dagdag kaaraman ang mga abogado asin lehislador sa rehiyon, manungod sa pagpapadanay nin hustisya sa mga tawong may kadiinan, nagsagibo ning sarong Disability Awareness and Sensitivity Workshop on Access to Justice for Persons with Disabilities kanakaaging Miyerkules ang Department of Justice asin ang National Council on Disability Affairs.
Ang purpose namin dito is to sensitize yung mga public attorneys and prosecutors on how to give better service to persons with disabilities who are accused, who are witnesses, or who are defendants. So gusto natin na meron silang access to legal services, and that public attorney's office would know how to provide them with these services so they can really have access to justice. Like halimbawa yung ating how do they provide services to the blind, to persons with physical disabilities, to those who have intellectual disabilities and other types of disabilities na which we think are not really do not have that access to services like other persons.
Nagtripon ang manlain-lain na abogado sa bilog na rehiyon kung saan naging mayor na urulay ang pagtaonin asistensyang legal sa mga taong may kadiinan. Para sa Anagangunya News, John Breeze.